Hey guys, it's your girl Danita, Toot615, doing an unbox for you today on, we're going to do an unbox. This is how the box came in, and I've been ordering so much stuff, guys. That's just one more box, and I have to open it to see what it is that I ordered. So, came like this. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet because I didn't know what it was. It was tough to get into. I had to tear this portion off, and then it was glued on, and it was harder than this. I've opened it, but it was harder than this. So I'm like, what is this? Open it up. Pat McGrath Labs, which those of you who are makeup gurus knows what that is, but I forgot what that was. I got this, I ordered it after watching Jackie Aina do a review on it, or she used this in a makeup tutorial she was doing, so I thought I'd give it a try. So I saw this and I'm like, what did I order from a lab? I was totally confused. Came in packaging like this. Opened it up, and then there it is, the mascara. I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. But yeah, I was like, man, they were really serious about this packaging. So it comes in a packaging like this, and it looks like this. So I've used this before, but I'm going to put it on for you today as well, and show you the difference between, you can hardly see, my eyelashes are very thin and short. So I'll put this on the right side. You can already kind of see the difference. Now, I thought Jackie was saying that it was fiber, but I can't tell that it's fiber. I've had a mascara before that you could really tell it had fibers to add to your lashes. So I can't tell if there's any type of fiber in this one. I'm gonna let that dry for a few seconds and then add another layer and see. You can tell a little bit of a difference, but not a major difference. Now I'm telling more of a difference. So I'll let that first one dry, add a second coat. And you can tell more of a difference. Yeah, I like that. Well, it's not too much. I wear glasses, so I don't need them to be too long. So I'll let that dry, and I'm gonna add another coat. And then I'll do my bottom ones later after the top one's really, really dry. This is Extreme Black. I wanted to get Extreme Black so that I could really tell a difference, be able to tell a difference. And I think it cost me $30, yeah. $30 for 13 milliliters of Dark Star Mascara Extreme Black. So now that it's dried a little bit more, I'm going to add another coat and see what we have. What mascara do you guys like to use, especially those that have very thin and light colored lashes? What kind do you like to use? Let me know, because I'm still looking for one. Alright, so yeah, you can really tell this one is very thin and light. This one with the mascara is thicker. So I do like that. One thing I will tell you guys, I have worn this a couple of times before, days prior, and like midday, later in the day, it'll start flaking because it'll flake onto my glasses, and then I have to clean my glasses, so it will flake on you a little bit. But yeah, here it is, guys. Wanted to give you this review real quick and unboxing, and show you how the Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star Mascara Extreme Black looks. Let me know if you've tried it and how you like it. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like and share, and I'll be talking to you soon, guys, with more reviews. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.